is another popular cocktail. The name of the cocktail is Screwdriver. Is a vodka based cocktail. Add few ice cubes inside the cocktail shaker. This particular cocktail is very much popular in between the ladies. Generally, the boys don't like it. So, add few ice cubes inside the cocktail shaker. Add 150 ml of orange juice. 150 ml of orange juice. This is 60. Plus 60. 120. And again another 30. 150 ml of orange juice, and we need 30 ml of vodka. There are flavored vodkas. Nowadays you have various types of flavored vodkas, but do not add those flavored vodkas. It will destroy the taste of the juice. If you have orange flavored vodka, then you can add 30 ml of vodka. Close it. Give it a good shake. Remember, you have to shake till the fourth. You can feel here you will have the clouds. You have to shake till then. Simply strain it into a medium-sized glass. Next cocktail what we are going to prepare is Bloody Mary, and for Bloody Mary we need again a medium sized glass. You can use old fashioned glass or olive oil also you can use. We need to take a cocktail shaker. We need to add ice cubes. We need 240 ml of tomato juice. This is tomato juice, fresh tomato juice. Remember, try to use fresh fruit juice, but try to use packaged or canned tomato juice. Okay. Because they have added some preservative which reduces the sourness or tanginess of the tomato. Two 40 ml of tomato juice, 60 ml of vodka, add half a teaspoon, or as per the taste, half a teaspoon of salt. This will help reducing the sourness of tomato. Adding pepper powder is optional. If you want, you can add pepper powder. You can add either 2 dash or 3 dash of Tabasco sauce, or Worcestershire sauce, or 8 and 8 sauce. Here I am using 2 dash of Tabasco sauce. Use it carefully because this is very hot. Close the cocktail shaker and give it a good shake. The glass which we will serve, you have to rim glass. You have to rim the glass. How you will rim the glass? Just rub the lemon around the glass rim, it will moist, and rim it with the help of salt. Strain the cocktail into the glass. If you want to garnish it, you have to garnish it with a celery stick. Usually in India it is very difficult to find a celery stick, so you can use a cherry tomato. But the traditional garnish of Bloody Mary is celery stick, a small celery stick. Bloody Mary. Today we are going to prepare Cosmopolitan. This is a version of Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan is a strawberry juice flavored and grenadine flavored cocktail. It has many versions. It has Rasmopolitan, it has Cosmopolitan. We are going to prepare Cosmopolitan. Just take some after ice and stir it inside the glass. The glass will be chilled. Or else you can keep the glass for a few while inside the refrigerator or fridge. For this we need cranberry juice, 120 ml of cranberry juice, 60 ml of water, 120 ml of cranberry juice, 60 ml of water. You can use strawberry juice, you can use cranberry, raspberry, anything. So take a cocktail shaker, add some ice cubes, (120 ml) of cranberry juice. Or 60 ml of vodka. If you have grenadine syrup, you can add at least 1 teaspoon, or 1 ounce, that is about 30 ml. You can add grenadine syrup. Grenadine, Grenadine. Grenadine syrup is prepared from the juice of pomegranate. Give it a good shake and strain it into a flute or tulip glass. Again, this is a cocktail. It is basically also prepared and popular among the ladies. This is Cosmopolitan.